Welcome to this guide on the L&D strategy template in Figma. A learning and development strategy is a roadmap that aligns training and development programs with organizational goals. It's essential because it ensures that all learning initiatives directly support key business objectives, fostering employee growth and improving overall performance. This free template from Allocate offers a structured approach to build a strategic L&D program that aligns with your organization's goals. Conduct a stakeholder analysis to engage key players, ensuring their support and alignment with your vision. Following this, begin with a needs assessment to identify skill gaps and define priority areas. Then, set OKRs, objectives, key results, and initiatives to establish a clear guiding North Star and measurable goals, with specific initiatives mapped out to achieve them. Identify necessary resources like budget, technology, facilitators, and materials to ensure the program's success. Design the learning program's content and delivery methods, establishing a budget breakdown for each component to make sure resources are allocated effectively. To keep everything on track, develop a detailed implementation plan and timeline, outlining responsibilities and deadlines for each task. Regular measurement and evaluation of key metrics will help you track impact and ensure alignment with business goals. Finally, plan periodic OKR reviews to refine objectives and adapt the strategy to evolving organizational needs, ensuring the L&D program remains effective and relevant. By following these steps, this template helps you build a well-structured, adaptable L&D strategy that not only addresses current needs, but also evolves with your organization's long-term goals.